Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is viewers. So viewers, we are looking at beautiful button crafts ideas. Buttons are small, colorful and fun. Many people have all buttons at home. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into amazing art and home decoration. Let's explore some creative ideas together. First, you can make a button flower picture. Draw flower stem on encampments or thin paper. Then glue colorful buttons to make bright flowers. This simple artwork can decorate your living room, bedrooms or office. Another lovely idea is a button tree. Draw a tree with many branches. Use green, red, yellow, orange button as the leaves. You can even make a tree for every season. It is beautiful and easy to print. Button also make wonderful heart decoration. So viewers, heart decoration. Arrange red, pink, white buttons into a heart shape. Put the design inside a picture frame. It's become a lovely handmade gift for someone special. And viewers, my next idea is viewers, friends, button photo frame. Take a plain wooden frame and cover it with buttons or different size and color. Your colors. Your family photo will look even more beautiful in a handmade look. And friends, my next idea is viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more